Walgreens Boots Alliance is the largest retail pharmacy, health, and daily living destination across the United States and Europe. They have been on a journey to master digital capability, to have increasing engagement with their customers in a direct capacity, while at the same time mastering and nurturing their data estate and treating their data as their most strategic asset. To do this, they need personalization, automation, and a customer journey orchestration capability like no other. I connected with Francesco Tinto, CIO at WBA, to discuss the critical role data plays in enabling a personalized consumer experience and the importance of protecting that data with a trusted technology partner. Hi, Francesco. Thanks so much for being with me here today.
Hi, Judson. Thanks for having me.
We just finished hearing Alyssa Taylor talk about Microsoft's new customer experience platform. I know that WBA has been deeply invested in this notion of digital autonomy. Tell me why personalization is so critical to your success.
Absolutely, Judson. So, really, the customer is at the center of every interaction, and that is really allow us to live our purpose, more joyful life through better health. The intent to deliver personalized services, personalized solution, and at the end really to build long-lasting relation with our customer. So the way we really are working is understanding their needs, starting personalizing solution, offering, bringing our patient along in the health journey and wellness journey, and in this way we are informing also the way we are operating internally. The understanding of the customer is bringing new innovation in our product delivery, is bringing as well informing the solution that we are delivering in the digital and in the physical environment.
So data is obviously at the core of everything that you're doing here. And with the challenges around amassing data these days through the demise of the third-party cookie and really some closed ecosystems out there in terms of how data is being managed, how is WBA amassing all of this data to drive personalization for your patients and customers?
Through the loyalty program that we have in Walgreens, the My Walgreens, and the Advantage loyalty program that we have in Boots, we own more than 100 million first data around our consumer. That is really informing us the purchase history, the behavior, and of our patient and our customer, and is giving us the possibility really to build those kind of innovative solutions. The biggest challenge for us is start really creating a single data, a single view of the customer across all these feeds that we receive from our environment, because we are touching our customer through so many channels. So bringing everything together in one single customer identity and have the possibility of understanding the different behavior is crucial for us on the mass personalization. Everything that we do, of course, has always in our mind that we need to protect information from a privacy and security point of view, because we have a major responsibility in the way we manage the information of our customer and our patients.
So you obviously have to harness all of these assets, leverage them for personalization, engage with digital marketing services out there in the global ecosystem, but at the same time protect that as a core asset for WBA. How are you doing that?
We are also managing the healthcare of the person, and this is a big responsibility because we own the information about the patient on their health situation, on their prescriptions. Protecting the data is really paramount. Security and privacy are by design. When we think about the solution, when we are developing a system or we are building a customer journey, the privacy and the security component embedded from the right beginning. Encryption is key. The way we protect our information is key. The number of possible access as well is mandatory in the way we operate.
So trust then is at the core, really. I think at the end of the day, if you're using data to improve the health impact and the wellness of your patients, it's obviously a trust contract that's well served. But how do you think about that deeper data governance and the classification and how you manage the same?
We are truly governing all through through policies very deeply the way we access the data. There is a major difference for us between the data related to the retail space versus the data when we touch pharmacy and healthcare. Very strong firewall and guideline that are really separating those kind of information. The same way in which also we are regulated by all the different organizations. We need to be compliance for PCI, compliance for HIPAA, really managing all the iTrust certification as well. So the policy and the way we operate are extremely important.
It's truly impressive how you are leveraging data, continuing that contract of trust with your customers and patients, and at the same time really harnessing digital autonomy to better market and personalize that journey with creating better wellness outcomes and better lives. So fantastic work, and thanks so much for sharing it with us.